In this lesson, you will apply everything from Module 6. This is not theory, it is calibration practice. Because understanding regression, scale effects, and statistical artifacts is only useful if you can apply them in real situations. Let's begin with a simple scenario. Imagine you track your performance weekly. For 4 weeks, your results look like this. Week 1, 78. Week 2, 81. Week 3, 76. Week 4, 90. Now pause. What is your immediate interpretation of Week 4? Do you think, I've dramatically improved? Or, this proves my new strategy works? Or, this confirms I'm operating at a higher level now? Before concluding anything, apply 3 checks. First, the regression check. Was Week 4 preceded by unusually low or moderate performance? Yes. If so, part of the increase may reflect natural variance. Extreme scores tend to move toward the average over time. A spike is not always a breakthrough, it may be fluctuation. Second, the distribution check. What is your long-term average? Is 90 truly outside your normal range? Or has your performance historically fluctuated between 75 and 92? Without knowing distribution, interpretation becomes narrative. Third, the sample size check. How many data points do you have? 4 weeks is not trend. 4 weeks is early signal. Trend requires repeated consistency. Now reverse the scenario. Imagine your scores look like this. Week 1, 88. Week 2, 85. Week 3, 90. Week 4, 74. What is your emotional reaction? Do you think, I'm declining? I lost my edge. I did something wrong. Now apply the same 3 checks. Regression, distribution, sample size. Is 74 outside historical range or within normal fluctuation? Are you interpreting one dip as trend, or is this variance? Statistical literacy protects emotional stability. Now consider a second scenario. You receive feedback from 3 people. 2 say your communication was clear. 1 says it was confusing. What is your instinct? Do you focus on the negative or dismiss it as an outlier? Apply proportional weighting. Is the single critical comment part of a recurring pattern or isolated? Does it align with past feedback? If similar feedback has appeared before, it is signal. If not, it may be variance. Next scenario, you rate your leadership skill as 8 out of 10. Ask yourself, what objective criteria define 8? Compared to whom? On what scale? Across what time frame? If your scale is undefined, your confidence floats. Defined criteria anchor interpretation. Now apply the ceiling effect question. If your environment includes high performers only, is your self-evaluation relative to them or to a broader population? Reference group shapes perception. Misreading reference group creates artificial overconfidence or unnecessary self-doubt. Here is your structured mini exercise. Take 1 recent success. Take 1 recent failure. For each answer, was this trend or variance? What is my long-term baseline? How many data points support this conclusion? Am I interpreting emotion as evidence? Am I overreacting to a spike or dip? Then write 1 sentence. What does the pattern suggest, not the moment? That sentence is your calibration anchor. The purpose of this exercise is simple: to slow interpretation, to separate data from narrative, to prevent ego from converting variance into identity. Statistics are not cold, they are stabilizing. When you interpret data correctly, confidence becomes steady. When you misread data, confidence oscillates. You now understand regression. You understand scale effects. You understand statistical artifacts. And now you are applying them. In the next module, we integrate everything: psychology, statistics, feedback, identity. Because clear thinking is not emotional suppression. It is calibrated interpretation. And that is how real confidence becomes stable.